Hi there, this is George Kosch. I'm the CEO of Worldprofit, and I'm happy to talk to you today about a new design prompt that the AI will build for our very well-known landing page builder number 13. It's basically a splash page builder, but the most complicated part about it is the image. And it's very hard to create images, very hard to imagine what you want, and that's all gone now. It's very simple. You're going to use this prompt here. It's called design prompt number 10. And a quick demo shows you what we're talking about here. It's going to create a page with an image on it that people click to sign up to any affiliate program that you're in. So this works with any program. You just put the URL in, and the AI will grab that URL, which will automatically go in this form, and then create you an image that's perfectly sized for landing page builder number 13, which is right here. These buttons down here are perfectly situated to take you through. You're going to create the prompt, copy, then you're going to go and build it with ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Then you're going to take the image and save it to your hard drive, which I'll show you. And then you're going to save it into Worldprofit's image hosting service, which is provided for free for your images. And then you create the splash page. And this is going to take you right to the page. You're going to paste the image in, and I'll take you through the whole thing. Okay, so first of all, let's find a website that we can duplicate, something that we want to create a page based on, which is easy to do. We just got to grab any URL. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm on my other monitor, and I'm going to grab one of our landing pages, which I think would be really neat to do. We're going to go with this one here. I found one, Worldprofit Services, which I'm just going to paste in here, and you'll notice that it updates right away into here. You can say to the GPT, well, I kind of like to use this color if it feels it's appropriate. So I'm just going to pick one at random. We're going to copy the prompt. And I already have GPT up, so I'm going to paste it in there. So the prompt is ready, done. You don't have to do anything. And it's going to follow the commands in the prompt, and it's going to create an image. First, it's going to go and it's going to scan the website that you put in. And it's going to create you a really nice image that is very usable in our program. It takes a minute to create the image, so we're going to let it create the image. It's going to go through, and it's going to give you all the information here. And you can see it's going through its whole system. It's done a very detailed analysis, and now it's going to create the image. Create the image. And if it, whatever, you can just tell it, I want you to create the image, and it will. So it'll do its analysis, which you can amend if you want. It's totally up to you. And here we go. So what you're going to do is when the image is done, you'll come up here and you can see that there's a little download button. So you just click the download, and it's going to download it on your computer somewhere. And you just put it somewhere where you're comfortable with it. I usually put it in my downloads. And then we go over, and the first thing you want to do is, since it's downloaded, we want to go to the image hosting area, which we're going to pull up a tab, and you choose the file on your computer, and you'd see it here, for example. You pick it and then give it a name and save it. So I've already done that, and I'll just show you. I've got a couple of image demos here, and you just right click and copy. Then we go back to our area here, and we click on create splash page, and it's going to take you to the splash page area. And you can then add new landing page, and it'll ask you for a name, which you'll put in. And then when it comes up, you can see, I'll just pretend I did that. You just put your main image, which is the one that you just copied, and you paste it into here. Pick a nice background if you want. There's a lot of backgrounds here that you can grab. I'll change the one that I have now. Maybe we'll go with this one. And then importantly, the last thing you want to do is, after you've saved it, here under Worldprofit, we want to make sure that you have a page that the link will go to. So let's look at what we created. And if you click on this, it will go to my sign up page. All right. That's just how easy it is. It'll create this image for you, and you can change transparency of it, maybe make it a little bit lighter if you want to see through it a bit better. And then you can hit the refresh, go back, refresh. You can see how it's a little bit lighter. You can change this all you want, and you're all set. Okay, if you have any questions about how this works, just go through it a few times. But really, it's this image that is being created with the button, which is absolutely phenomenal. You can see this one that's being created here. 25 places to post your affiliate links free. We have 25 places that you can post. So you will get this image, you'll download it, paste it in, and you're all set. And by the way, you can use this image anywhere you want. It's your image. It was created by GPT for you. And you'll notice that there are no typos. GPT has changed their whole system to do these in downloadable images that you can put on your computer, and they will work anywhere in any web page. So it's totally up to you how you use the image, but it's yours. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to fill out a support form. Thank you.